In this video, I'm going to address a question that students frequently ask. I cannot memorize everything. What should I do? Often, students ask this question at the end of the semester if they have not been memorizing the law throughout the semester and they are not sure what to do. They just don't have enough time to memorize everything they need to memorize. Here are some things you can do if you find yourself in this situation. First, focus on the rules and not on things like cases, hypos, or anything that is not a rule of law. Your goal is to memorize the rules. Next, focus on the areas of law that your professor focused on in class and in the syllabus. Some professors focus and emphasize a particular area of law, maybe because they excel or practice in that area of law. Whatever the reason, the professor may take a lot of time in class talking about this particular area of law. These are the rules you want to focus on. On the other hand, if your professor does not cover a topic or just mentions it in passing, this is an area that is not likely to be of great importance to your professor and so is less likely to show up on the exam. Speaking of exams, the next thing to do is to review your professor's past exams. This will allow you to see the issues that your professor has tested in the past. You can also see how the exam is organized. For example, some professors will follow their syllabus and test different sections of the syllabus on different questions. Looking at your professor's past exams will show you what concepts your professor thinks are important and what rules they tend to test on exams. If you are taking an open book exam, ideally you would memorize your outline ahead of time. But if you find yourself in a situation where you have not memorized your outline before an open book exam, I recommend that you tab your outline or create an attack outline highlighting the topics that are important to your professor. This can make it easier for you to quickly find the law on exam day.